This is the elevator at Old Main at Westminster College in New Wilmington, Pennsylvania. This is an Otis hydraulic elevator from the 2000s to 2010s. Serious facts, I remember 2000s. 3. Here we go up. Here 3. Someone just flushed a toilet. Back on it 1. This building definitely still has an old feel to it, but this is a newer elevator. Certificate is in the physical plant office. They kind of pulled a St. Vincent with that style. It's a St. Vincent College, not hospital engineering. It's a basic Otis cab. Has like a brown metal color in the front. The alarm button's replaced, which is interesting because you would think that button would be rarely used. Here I got 1. It's vandal resistant buttons. I'd say probably late 2000s for this install. Because that's gonna be it.